In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game The Roottrees Are Dead on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So open your Google browser and locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, search for the game The Roottrees Are Dead and select it. Now scroll a little bit down and as you can see this game is €19.50. But don't worry, we got a workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here and you will be redirected to this website. Now search the same game and after that select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now if you scroll a little bit down then you have to watch two things, and the first one is to watch this text. It needs to be able to be activated in your country, so it needs to be marked green, and of course the price. So we found one with a cheap price and a marked green text. Now as you can see this game is available from €12.56 instead of the Steam price of €19.50. And what you do is purchase this game through this website. After that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a new Steam account to download this game. Completely legit but much cheaper. After that you are able to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!